This is Camille's pussy.
That's a good one. Throw that shit like nothing.
How did it
That was
feel?
good.
How did it feel?
Felt really good.
Feel refreshed?
Yeah, I do actually.
What you like to say now?
Shelley's got nothing on that cat.
Oh.
Or pussy. Shelley's got nothing on that pussy. look at the competition. Come on. Look at that shit. Look at that.
He has green eyes. Sheila, can you beat this?
Nope. Shelley got nothing on that.